how to manage public profile info on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage public profile info on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here and go down into the file settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just go down until you find this one, followers and public content. Then just go down again, and here you will find public profile info. You can make it for public or friends or of friends, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.